What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Jasmy fam, Jasmy knots. I am back with another video for you guys. Jasmy right now sitting at 0033339. 333 is a very lucky number. So you know, if you're into gematria, I think it's called gematria, this could be a good sign for Jasmy. But Jasmy fam, thank you guys for tuning in. As always, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Always remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into crypto because it is very risky and very volatile. Jasmy sitting at $163 million in market cap, $7.3 million in 24-hour trade volume right now. We're still going sideways in this range, which is understandable for Jasmy. Take a look at Bitcoin, for example. Bitcoin, like I said, we're doing pretty good on Jasmy. Started to make a move up, and then bang, Bitcoin just fell off, went down straight down to $26,000, and holding this this line at $26,000. But you know, anything could happen, and then we drop lower, right? Until like things start to finally turn around. Same thing with Ethereum here, the overall markets and other altcoins. You know, all these other altcoins are down right now, following the lead market mover. So the same thing is happening with Jasmy. From Captain Jasmy, Jasmy is growing day by day, paving the way to brand new era within Web 3.0 and driven by Japan and ex-Sony giants. Share some love for this beauty of a project. Smash the like and retweet. Let the world have the opportunity to read up on this project. Let's get it trending. Know what you hold, the Japanese Bitcoin. And a ton of engagement as always on these Jasmy tweets, man. You love to see it. Like, their activity is through the roof, right? Level 08. Let's see what we got from level 08, man. As the price drops, there are times when I'm overwhelmed by anxiety. As a person who transmits information, people may resent you, and even if people are mentally over self-conscious, they can get frustrated without realizing it. In fact, some people have become depressed in the community of other brands. Sometimes we find ourselves in a situation that resembles an obsession with having to seek out positive information. Even if there's a reason why information cannot be released, I think it is necessary to take care of holders and actively interact with them. My Jasmy's ideal goal of Web3 is to build an environment where engineers can hear their voices anytime, anywhere, and believe that a better information and communication society can be achieved. I had some time since the recruitment started, so I thought it would be nice if you could at least read it. Okay. Interesting stuff. And this is from Jasmy MGT. Thank you very much for the many applications to the Jasmy Ambassador program. In the first round, the following individuals have been selected. Congratulations. So right here, look at this. We have some Jasmy ambassadors selected for the first round. I guess there's going to be a number of rounds for it. We have Blake Berry, WC30, Tycho Tweets, Jasmy US, Captain Jasmy, level 08, Curve Finance, and Jasmy 457. Awesome stuff. From Houston, it's an honorary position, but the frustration isn't that you haven't been chosen. It's that the message you sent hasn't been read yet. People selected deserve it because they are the best, but what criteria they use? We need pro transparency. Okay, we can help target more people in the world, especially if you speak another language besides English or Japanese. We spent thousands of hours researching and highlighting Jasmy, and we thought they'd appreciate it. The goal is to help Jasmy reach other countries, especially some countries in the Middle East. Hopefully Jasmy management team work a little hard, and they know they do now, and read at least our applications before announce the winners. Congratulations for everyone. Okay, interesting stuff. Some people are wondering why some aren't selected, some are. I could understand how it is. You know, more transparency on how the Jasmy ambassadors were selected would be nice to see, right? But I like that the community is being engaged constantly. That is great. That is great for me, right? From Willow, Jasmy, time to load up. And we have another video right here from NeoXTrix. Another tweet, another X. NTT Docomo 5G EC is a consortium. 10 companies providing solutions in their respective areas of expertise. Almost all are company customers of JNA and BJIT Japan. We know who the bosses of the latter are, and that JNA and partners of Jasmy for the national DX. Jasmy, I see you everywhere. Interesting. Let's take a look at the video, guys.
FiveJack was established to support the introduction of private 5G and solutions at overseas branches. Flexible, stable, and secure private networks can even be built at production sites in the suburbs where 5G is not yet available.
Very interesting stuff. So FiveJack is a consortium, NTT Docomo, 10 companies providing solutions in their respective areas of expertise. The latter are and that JNA and partners of Jasmy. Okay, so these companies, some of these companies have ties to Jasmy, which is very interesting. That's really bullish, man. What?
In addition, we can offer a variety of services, including solution proposals, system deployment, and managed services, all in one stop. For example, IoT and AI is used to visualize factory production processes.
And that's probably why we see the partnership with Jasmy, IoT and AI technology.
By detecting and predicting failures, we can improve operational efficiency and reduce costs. Docomo will accelerate the overseas deployment of its existing domestic 5G services, and by providing solutions tailored to the individual needs of a wide range of customers.
Awesome stuff. Wow. Awesome stuff, man. Nice spot from NeoXtrix. Very nice spot. Jasmy prepares something like a personal wallet that allows you to manage platinum data, such as freely withdrawing coins from it. Data management is done individually, and one mutual use is possible, right? I can't wait until the PDLs and these technologies start to like really take place and start being used, you know, just to keep just keep the fudders quiet. Again, Jasmy is a utility project with great use case. It is an altcoin, great altcoin, has a great team. Everything checks out for it. The tokenomics, again, full supplies basically out, right? All it takes now, like I said, is some catalysts and Bitcoin being bullish, like Bitcoin behaving, the whole market behaving, starting to be more bullish. Then we'll see better price action for Jasmy, man. From Dinero, Jasmy solves this. From Igor, 760,000 Discord users' data is on sale on the darknet. Right here, the threat actor claims to have data including email, name, username, password, tokens, etc. What the heck? And Dinero is absolutely right. Jasmy solves this, right? 760,000 Discord users' data is on sale on the darknet. And that's why Jasmy's data security is so important. Remember, I showed you guys in previous videos a while back that data is the new oil, right? People aren't trying to, you see, for example, right here, people aren't trying to steal, like, you know, people aren't trying to steal the, you know, things of the past, like, for example, cars and stuff like that. They're not trying to steal that. Now they're out for your data because they know how much it'll be worth in the new society, in society 5.0. Crazy, man. From Raymond123, Jasmy, if you manage to fight through this bear market, you would have survived the longest bear market in cryptocurrency history. So when the bull starts, you will deserve every single penny of your gains. Patience, patience, patience. And we see Raymond has 21 hearts on this. BGM, anyone who actually believes bull market can now happen, you shouldn't invest a single dollar. You are severely uneducated. What's your time is money, DCA. Exactly. Raymond hit the nail on the head with this. If you manage to fight through this cycle, because this is the most brutal cycle we've gotten, guys. This bear market has been the most brutal we've gotten. It has been the longest lasting. But I showed you guys the image in my previous video that after extremely long bear markets, we get like way more bullish bull markets, way more exponential growth in bull markets. But it's all about patience. It's all about patience and surviving. From Altcoin Daily, Bitcoin is only $25,000 today. Right now we're in an accumulation phase, right? And eventually we're going to go into the bull cycle. When you see Bitcoin break out, I'm telling you, a lot of alts will follow Bitcoin when the entire market is bullish. And the ones that perform the best are projects that have an active team, community, great use case, right? That is Jasmy. 279, this is only round 1. Round 2, I hope to see these people on there, my personal pick. And this is for the Jasmy MGT Ambassador Program, DPG, Gordy, Dip Metaverse, May, and Crypto to Manhood, right? We'll see what happens, man. Still great that the community is getting to engage, and you love to see it. Eden, Jasmy company of Sony. In 2017, Jasmy launches an LTE compatible Android single board computer by Mr. Hara. I would like to be on behalf of the community to know about this subject. Jasmy releases LTE compatible Android single board computer, ideal for IoT device development. Interesting. Maybe this is what led to the Jasmy secure PCs, or is this new information? LTE compatible Android. Very interested. Again, Neo Xtrix always down the rabbit hole, putting in that work, finding great information. That's actually pretty interesting, man. Probably have NDAs in place from Brian. From Lucky, it is very bad that the company has not been able to convey information about its many achievements to the people and investors till date. That's why Brian said probably NDAs in place. Interesting stuff though. Like I said, developments keep happening. From Coinstore, weekly new coin listing, and again, Jasmy listed on Coinstore. Very bullish stuff. CEXIO, win 50 algorand, buy one, sell one, hodl one. The choice is yours. Comment your picks down below. Obviously, I'm hodling Jasmy. I'm hodling Jasmy, man. Buying and hodling. Let me get your thoughts down below. But this is some free marketing for Jasmy. CXIO is an exchange that I used when I first got into crypto. 131k followers. That's one of the first exchanges I've ever used. And they are pretty much giving Jasmy some free marketing here, man, which is pretty nice to see, right? Out of all the projects, they picked Jasmy to highlight, right? And this was on, this was today. Awesome stuff. Jasmy fam, this is great. This is great to see. Let me get your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Share the video with your friends and family. Let's keep growing together, Jasmy fam. I will keep giving you guys consistent updates as best I can. Those of you that enjoy the videos, I really appreciate you. Words can't express it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.